Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vikas and you are watching my YouTube channel Vikas Kamble Patil. So today we are going to see how I record my YouTube videos. So let's go. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please watch this video till end. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon for daily notifications. So today we are going to see how I create my YouTube videos. So I create videos in three ways. Number one, by using front end camera of my Android mobile. Second, by using back camera of my mobile. And third, by using screen recorder software. So first two ways you can do by yours. You know about how to use camera for recording. But the third way, today we are going to see how to record your video using screen recorder. So first, which recorder I use? So in my previous videos, means my first or second videos, I used to do a PowerSoft Screen Recorder Pro. In that, and later I am using Bandicam Screen Recorder. So what is a PowerSoft? What we can record and what is the limitation of a PowerSoft Screen Recorder Pro? So you can record up to 3 minutes in free version of a PowerSoft Screen Recorder Pro. For unlimited recording you have to purchase that software. Next, Bandicam Screen Recorder. You can record up to 10 minutes in the free version. You can add webcam overlay video in recording. You can adjust position of webcam and you can create separate video file for recording. So today we are going to see how Bandicam Screen Recorder works. So we are on my laptop screen. Look at there in the icon, there is a Bandicam software on which I am currently working. This video also recording is going on Bandicam software. So it look like this, and I will click on this. So the view is like this. There is so many options in this. You can select screen size, select recording area, rectangular screen, full screen area, mouse. For game recording mode you can do by HDMI mode. From here you can add mouse cursor effects. You can give sound, select sounds, webcam, mouse logo, everything from here. From here you can add microphone setting you can do from here. Sound web, you can add microphone. Okay, now, and from here there is a webcam overlay. Okay, so next thing is here the home screen looks like this. There are three options: get started, videos and images. So get started, we are going on. In videos you can see the previous videos or current video. In the images you can see the images stored. There is no image. So screen recording, full screen, this mode allows you to record the whole screen of your display. Number one, choose a monitor to be captured. Number two, click the record button. For stop recording we have to click this red button. Okay, so from here we can capture image and we can capture image from here. Now next, videos. In general setting we can select the folder where our videos will be stored. And other things, Bandicam window always on top, start, minimize, other settings we can adjust. We can schedule our recording also and auto recording also. Next, in video option there are so many record or stop hotkey by using F2, pause hotkey, show mouse cursor, add mouse click effects, add webcam overlay, and there are different formats for video recording. There is video quality, S264 Intel quick sync video VBR, full size, 60 fps means 60 frames per second. Audio AC advanced audio coding, 40K stereo, 192 kbps. In this additional setting we can do changes with type of file we have or we want. And next, in image, same things, how we can capture image. By pressing F11 we can capture image or repeat screen. Format of the image we can select from here: BMP, PNG, JPG high quality, JPG custom. And in this settings we can add logo on the screen. Where we have our logo, we can add our logo also. I have my logo here. Okay. Next, in about, there is information about software. Unregistered 10 minutes video with watermark. To remove the watermark, purchase Bandicam from bandicam.com. So guys, you have to purchase the software for more than 10 minutes video recording. I record till 10 minutes, so it is okay for me. So this is how I record. And simply for starting recording we have to click on that get started, then our window will come. From here we have to click on start. So this is the way how I record my videos. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. So we will back to our screen now. Don't forget to like, share. If you are new to channel, please subscribe my channel and please press bell icon for daily awesome videos like this. And keep learning and boycott Chinese products and applications. Guys, China is doing very bad things globally. He is not good at all in his political view. So don't buy Chinese product and give a lesson, teach a lesson to China by boycotting Chinese products and applications, and go vocal for local products. Hope you will do this. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.